Marine life and what it provides for our Earth has always been a vital part of survival for human life. With the ocean covering about 70% of the Earth's surface, it's one way that our Earth's temperature stays regulated. Not only does the ocean provide regulated temperatures for our survival, but the marine life that lives within the ocean is vital to us humans as well. As obvious as food and protein, but also medicinal products such as ingredients helping with cancer treatments, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. As selfish as it may sound, ocean life provides to all human life, therefore it needs to be protected. According to Ocean Service NOAA government website, intensive use of our ocean and runoff from land-based pollution sources are just two of many factors that stress our fragile ecosystems and increasingly lead to human health concerns. With these concerns being one of many, a specific targeted problem is that of our marine life migration and its effect from climate change. As stated in an article from Yale, steadily rising ocean temperatures are forcing fish to abandon their historic territories and move to cooler waters. The result is that fishermen's livelihoods are being disrupted, as fisheries regulators scramble to incorporate climate change into their planning. This steadily rising problem for commercial and small business fishermen is causing for less seafood to be sold to consumers, meaning less protein for humans. The ocean is warmer today than at any time since record keeping began in 1880.
50 million people worldwide, fish is an essential source of protein. Without that fish, many people will no longer be getting enough protein to survive.
Dark areas of water are absorbing the heat.
We talk about the global temperature increasing by 1 degree in the past century, and the Arctic has experienced about 2 to 3 degrees increase in temperature over the same time period. So in the Arctic, we're really experiencing what the rest of the globe may see very soon. The outcome is far from being positive to societies.
According to phys.org, it had been previously thought that baleen whales could potentially show some resilience to climate change because of their ability to alter their migratory patterns or switch prey species. This research shows that their ability to respond in these ways may not be enough to prevent their reproductive success from being impacted by ecosystem change. The same with salmon, who are smaller cold water fish that because of their size are deeply affected by warmer waters. In California, severe drought years affect the salmon's offspring eggs. Normally, a salmon will lay their eggs in colder waters. With drought years, the eggs have less of a chance of survival due to the change in water temperatures.
Increasing temperatures related to climate change have had a host of impacts in the Arctic region. There's been a decline in the sea ice extent over the past decades, and this reduction in ice-covered areas in April likely has had significant impacts for ice-associated seals. Female ice seals use sea ice as a platform to haul out onto, to give birth to their pups, and to nurse them. Sea ice is also very important for seals when it's time to molt. Changes in the extent of sea ice have also impacted the distributions of seals and their prey. We have found a decline in body condition, particularly in ribbon seals and also in pups of all species.
What can we do to help? According to EPA.org, a few ways we can make a difference in climate change include adapt fishery management. Fishing professionals and government officials can help adapt to climate change by changing policies and practices. Reducing energy use. Everyone can take steps to lower carbon emissions, which can help reduce ocean warming and acidification. Shopping sustainably. Plan your meals with sustainably harvested seafood to keep ocean ecosystems healthy. These are fish and shellfish that have been caught using sustainable techniques and management practices. Recreate responsibly. Help protect coral reefs. When boating, be careful not to let anchors damage coral reefs or seagrass beds. Never touch coral reefs when diving or snorkeling. Also avoid using sunscreens that contain chemicals that can harm marine life. Every action counts, especially if everyone focuses on a small action. Together we can all strive for sustainability and help our oceans heal and thrive.